going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about one of our latest projects we've been working on. We've got a 1987 D150, and obviously it's Cummins Swapped. So we got this nice 12 valve in here. Came out of a 96, so it's got your nice 12 mil P pump on there. It's got some other goodies. Put a set of DP 5x12 injectors. It's got delivery valves, about 22 degrees of timing, and a nice powder coated S300. It is sitting on a 92 D250 frame that we shortened for the short bed. Mated with the NV4500, and it's got a nice custom 5-inch exhaust credited to Jake. You want to come look at the interior. It's got the nice red interior, brand new black carpet, and the Amazon seat cover. In the back here, got a set of clear tail lights. And if you look up underneath there, we've got a nice fuel cell. And then in the bed here, we got the fuel door. So we'll take a more in-depth look at the engine bay. Got this nice aluminum radiator. Got some electric fans in there. We also got the gator head studs. Got this nice black catch can and the brand new Kohl's battery. What else we got here? Just a factory first gen air cooler. Locked up in there. What else we got, Jake? Oh, we got the Fast 165 tucked up underneath there. Need some new filters on that. Do some more talking about the exterior of the truck. So if you look closely, you can see this is not your normal patina. Got that nice Poppy's patina clear coat sprayed on there. For the meats, you got some Nitto 420Bs and some 22x12 Cali off-road wheels. I don't know what else to talk about. It is what it is. It's gonna be for sale soon, so don't miss your chance to get a kick-ass cruiser that is also pretty dang fast. Fun truck. All right, guys, well, that's about it. I just wanted to make a short and sweet little video of our latest project. Appreciate you guys watching. Tune in for the next one.